Hello everybody,
Hello everybody.
welcome to my new video.
Welcome to my new video.
Today
Today
I am making video
I am making video
with my
with my
daughter.
daughter.
See what are
She was
my daughter.
my doctor.
Today
Today
I will
I will
make her
make her
speak English.
speak English.
So Kriti, tell me where did you go?
Very good.
If I मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तुम कहाँ गई थी? So if I will make translate where did you go? It mean you
Yeah.
where did you go?
खेलने गए थे.
Okay, so you will say I went to play. क्या बोलोगी? I went to
I went to play.
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 Okay, so Kriti, tell me where did you go?
खेलने गए थे.
क्या बोलोगी इंग्लिश में? I went to play.
I went to play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you go to school? School गई थी?
Yes.
Okay. So you will say yes. I went to school. बोलो.
Mummy.
No. You will say if I ask you, did you go to school? You will say that yes. I went to school. What will say?
इसका मतलब क्या है?
नो इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं तुमसे पूछूंगा स्कूल गई थी, इसको इंग्लिश में हम बोलेंगे डिड यू गो टू स्कूल. ओके, सो तुम बोलोगी यस मैं गई थी, तो क्या बोलोगी? मैं इसको इंग्लिश में बोलोगी यस आई वेंट टू स्कूल.
Yes, I went to school.
या इट कॉल इन इंग्लिश. ओके,
Yeah.
टेल मी.
Call in English.
या टेल मी व्हाट डिड यू टीच इन योर स्कूल?
Tell me what.
नो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तुमने स्कूल में क्या पढ़ा, तो तुम क्या बोलो? आई टॉट समथिंग लिटिल बिट इन इंग्लिश, लिटिल बिट इन मैथ, लिटिल बिट इन हिंदी, एंड यू नो व्हाट विल से? मैं तुम बोलोगी मैं इंग्लिश में थोड़ा बहुत मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ा, थोड़ा बहुत मैथ पढ़ा, थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी पढ़ा.
हिंदी तो हिंदी.
Are you getting?
हिंदी नहीं है इंग्लिश.
Okay, you can say because here I just want to make you speak English. Are you getting?
Hello guys.
Kriti Kavya, please tell me. You don't make me upset. Speak
Are you
what
getting?
I want
Are
to
you getting?
ask you.
Are you getting?
Okay, are you getting? Okay, good girl. I will appreciate you because right now you are 5 year old and you know little bit whatever I am telling you, you know. So that's why I want to appreciate you, and one day I will make you speak English. If you live with me, if you speak I as I am speaking. Okay. So guys, I want you to, if you have a child like us, so you should also try to make him speak in English from childhood. You know, because
Okay.
nowadays people can do anything if they know English. That's why I want to make her speak in English everything from childhood. You know, because we can achieve every kind of things. Everything dependent on us. If we will learn good thing to our child will do as we will taught. That's why I am telling you. I am not saying that you can completed like I am telling you that I am not saying that you will make uh, him speak English in one day, but if we practice every day, one day he will surely speak English like a native speaker, you know. So guys, she's my what are my daughter, and she is 5 year old, and she understand little bit English, but she can't speak English. That's why I want to make her speak English, and I know one day I will make her speak English. So Kavya, tell me, what's your name?
My name is Kriti.
Kriti, sorry. Kavya, tell me, Kriti, tell me, what's your name?
Kavya.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kavya.
Okay, in which class do you study?
LKG.
In which class do you study?
LKG.
What is your favorite subject? Tell me, what is your favorite subject?
English.
What is your favorite subject?
English.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कितने भाई बहन हो, तुम क्या बोलोगी? देयर आर 2 ब्रदर एंड 2 सिस्टर, बोलो.
There are 2 brothers, 2 sisters.
2 sister. I have a 2 brother and 2 sister.
I have a 2 brothers, 2 sisters.
Okay, tell me what. अब मैं बोलो, जो तुम्हारे पास भाई है वो तुमसे बड़ा है छोटा है, इसको मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा. ओके, अब मैं बोलूंगा व्हाट यू हैव अ ब्रदर. आर यू गेटिंग? ओके, कृति कव्या, प्लीज पे अटेंशन ऑन कैमरा.
देख तो रही हूँ.
So why you are reacting like that? Please hand your down your hand. Remove your hand from your mouth. Pay attention on camera. No. So you will say if I say that मैं पूछूंगा मैं पहले हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ फिर इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा. आपको ये चीज बोलना है. प्लीज try to understand because I will not explain you again and again one thing. Are you getting?
Okay.
So please pay attention what I am going to ask you. You will say yes, what I have a brother, he is older than me, because जो मेरे पास भाई है वो मेरे से बड़ा है. इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलोगे? what I have a brother, he is older than me.
But
what
what
I have a brother,
I have a brother.
he is
He is
older than
older than
me.
me.
I am
I am
younger than
younger than
him,
him.
and he
And he
study
studied
in
in
9th standard.
9th standard.
I
I
study
study
in
in
LKG.
LKG.
Okay, I will ask you. मैं पूछूंगा तुम क्या बनोगी बड़ा होकर. Okay, what will you be? What will you become when you will become older?
Police.
So you can't say police. You can't. ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे मैं पुलिस. बोलोगे I will become policeman.
I will become policeman.
Yeah. What will you become?
Teacher.
Okay. So you can't say. You will say I will become a teacher.
I will become teacher.
Yeah. So tell me and a little bit ask what you want to ask. पूछो क्या तुम पूछोगे हिंदी में, मैं उसको इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा. बोलो.
मुझे काया को दांत पड़वाना है.
क्या करना है?
दांत पड़वाना है.
ओके, सो यू विल से इंग्लिश में. अब इसको मैं बोलूंगा. तुम मुझसे बोलो पापा आई वांट टू मेक हर स्कॉल्डेड.
Papa, I want to make her extended.
स्कॉल्डेड यू कैन से एज वेल एज दैट. अब ये भी कह सकते हो साथ साथ कि पापा आई वांट टू
Daddy.
मेक हर पनिशमेंट. पनिशमेंट मतलब इसको मैं दंड दिलाना चाहता हूँ. पापा मैं इसको दंड दिलाना चाहता हूँ. यू कैन से